Hey everyone, I know that during this lockdown we all are missing our friends. So, how about we write a letter to them expressing our feelings? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a card. For making this, you'll be needing some colored sheet, some sketch pen, paints, glue, scissors, pencil, and an eraser. The first step is to grab a darker sheet and fold it into half. The second step is to grab a lighter colored sheet and make 2 circles on it. Cut these circles using a scissor or take your parents' help. These are going to be developed into 2 roses. We are going to erase all the pencil marks. The third step is to cut these circles into a spiral motion.
The trick about cutting in this style is to take one edge of the circle and cut the edges in descending circular form. This can also be called cutting in a spiral form. I am going to show you this for one circle, but you have to cut both the circles in this manner. If you find this activity a little hard and confusing, you can always take your parents' help. Now that you've cut it, you want to grab the outer edge of the strip of this cutout and spiral it inwards, folding in all the way till the end of the cutout. This activity takes a little time, but is super satisfying to perform, and the results are extraordinary. So all you need is some patience. Don't worry, and just roll, roll, roll. When you've reached the end of the strip, take the last edge of the strip and stick it to the rest of the bulge using a glue or a tape. This forms our cute little rose that we're gonna use in our card. Now, after doing the same with another circle too, you have 2 roses which are supposed to be used as a decorative piece for front cover of our letter. Now, the next step is to paste these roses on the front left upper corner of your cover page using a glue. Now you can decorate the rest of the page using color pens and designs of your choice. I am going to make beautiful floral patterns on the edge of the cover to make it look beautiful and cute. Since I'm writing this letter to Lily, I'm going to use calligraphy font to write for Lily. Use a black sketch pen or any colored sketch pen to highlight what you've written with a pencil. I am going to decorate it with a dark black marker and make it look more highlighted. I'm going to erase all the extra pencil marks. The front page of our card is ready. Now we're going to turn it into inwards and write a beautiful message to my friend. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and good luck!